we're going to use photos in Dreamweaver, and we're going to learn how to optimize the images we're going to use. There are three different ways. One is the visual size of the photo, another one is cropping or getting rid of the area we don't want in the photo, and also the weight in kilobytes. The best is a range of 30 to 50 kilobytes. Now remember that depending on the characteristics of your photo, you may need to use the three methods, some of them, or maybe none. Maybe your photo is already fine to be used in your website. And all your photos must be saved in format JPG. For the GIFs website, we are going to use the photos that are already uploaded on ATI, Multicultural, Images, GIFs, Images. We're going to select them and we are going to copy. This is my website, the local site folder, Images folder, and paste it. In Dreamweaver, when I open my Images folder, I have all these photos there, one for each one of the pages. I am in the Balloons web page, so I'm open the Balloons folder, Birthdays, and I'm going to use image number 5. Right now is 637 kilobytes. Right now the properties inspector is about text. When I insert the photo and I select it, the properties inspector changes. Now it's the features of the photo. It's describing the 637 kilobytes weight of the photo, and we need to type the ID of the photo. As well as an alternate text, which is birthday candy. So I am 05 birthday candy. And we are going to change the visual size in the box for the width. We need to make sure, number one, that the lock is closed, not open, because if it's open, then the height is gonna distort the image. So it should be locked or closed. And we are going to we need to check the column width in pixels. So I'm getting rid of the image so we can read the pixels. It's 163. Since we are using cell padding in our tables, then I'm just subtracting 10, or let's just use 150 and it will fit in the column. Then I'm inserting the photo again. I make sure my lock is closed and I'm going to type 150 pixels. As you can see, I didn't change the height, Dreamweaver did it for me. If I click anywhere else, the photo is fitting here on the column. Now this is not the only thing I can do. I can also crop the image. I can get rid of this white area over here. So number one, I need to select the photo. This is the icon to crop. When I click it, it's a message telling me that I cannot undo the action. It's okay. And then I'm gonna resize the photo to include only the area I want to keep. I want to get rid of this space. When I'm done, then I click again on the crop icon and the image is resized. In this step is when we can see that actually when we got rid of that area, then the weight in kilobytes change. When we change the visual size, it was still 637. Now we need to make it 30 to 50. I need to remember you that Dreamweaver is not really like a Photoshop. To be very precise and reach this range of kilobytes, then we will need to use Photoshop. Dreamweaver is not really meant for editing photos. It's just that we are going to use the easiness of this tool over here, which is Edit Image Settings. It might not be very good, but at least we can get some proper photo for our website. Then also we need to select the photo. We need to click on Edit Image Settings. I recall you, the weight right now is 483. When I click on Edit Image Settings, I'm gonna choose JPEG for maximum compatibility. And here I can read the new file size in kilobytes 8. Even if I choose 100, either by typing or by selecting the scale, I still get the 8 kilobytes. As you can see, it changes this. It's okay, don't worry. This means that the new file size is gonna be 8 and it will show up here. When I click on OK, well, it's 9. But not that 3050. This is the best, this is the optimum. But you can get this if you use Photoshop, if you know how to. But for the class purposes, since we are always short of time, we're using the tool provided in the Dreamweaver software. So right now our photo is optimized in everything. Let's just add the ID IM05, because that's the way it is called, and also a description, which is birthday candy. So I'm gonna type over here IM05 hyphen birthday candy. Enter. And we already optimized the photo. If I saved my page and I press F12, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the photo is not distorted or pixel, even though the weight is a small weight of 9 kilobytes, but it's okay for the website purposes. If your photo is pixel or distorted, then you have to redo that work again. How? Well, then you will need to delete this photo and get it from again, the original photo, because right now, as you can see, the photo is 9 kilobytes. Thank you.